Hey guys, we're here in Kelowna. We're gonna check car show. Right, let's go, bud.
Oh, the toy shop.
Where?
Right there.
Oh,
Different.
we can check that one later. Come on, let's go check the cars first. Look at that. That is, what car is that?
I don't know, but it's like Ashton.
It's all the way down there.
That's not cars.
And here, this one, Emo.
Maybe.
Look. Ooh. Look here, Em. Nice. Oh, it's Honda. V-Tech. Look at that. Really cool.
What is it? That's where they hold yeah, the toy shop is right
Yeah, we're gonna check that. We'll check the cars first.
I bet to you the next morning that we get here, I bet to you tomorrow once we get here, there's like nothing. There's like nothing. What? Is that a noise? Is that a noise shop? Oh no.
What's that? Just stand there and I will take your picture. Look here. Nice. Here, this one, man.
Wait.
Tarzan. Yeah,
Oh, no,
I think so. Okay, here. Ooh. Thanks, guys. Oh, this one is cool. Okay, we're gonna go there. This one first. Go check around. Here. Don't touch him. No touching him. Beautiful car. Look here. Go. You want to check that one? Okay. Look. Do not touch unless you're naked. Oh, it's a beautiful one. It's Ford. How do you like? Come on here, look here.
No, carry on.
You like Scar?
Do you want one with him?
No, I'm good. Thank you so much.
An all-star body.
Yeah, there, stand up there. Yeah, that one there. One here, look here. M. M. Oh, look at that, they build it.
That's the car.
Yeah, they build it like that. Come on. Oh, there's two more in there. I think there's more over there.
Just a perfect day. Drink sangria in the car. Later on, when it gets dark, we'll go home. It's just a perfect day. Feed the animals in the zoo. Later on, we'll be to a night home. Such a perfect day.
So, stand up on the middle and I'll take a picture in the middle. Yeah. No, no, other side.
We continue the white.
There's a little more here. All the way down there. Go. Oh, there's a lot in there.
No, there's more. What? There's six. Look, there's seven.
It's Mazda Miata.
Oh, Daddy, come.
Oh, it's a trophy. I think they won it.
Would you like to sit in it?
Really? You can sit in there?
Sure.
Okay, go.
We can sit.
Yeah.
There we go.
Steve Berry. You're Steve.
I'm Steve.
There you go,
Hop in,
bud.
buddy.
There you go, man.
Now you gotta put your hand on the steering wheel because you're gonna be driving. All right.
There
And-
you go.
Yeah, I got some trophies for it. And if you ever want to say hi to somebody, just pull this a little bit. And look out the window. Can you see? Just put the tail, the headlights on. See them? Okay, just let it be. It'll go down on its own. And then now you can pull it again just once and then let go. See? You did that.
How do you like that? Cool, eh?
You ready? This is what you did. I'll show you again.
Oh. I didn't take your picture in the end. Go inside again. Come on.
That again?
Yeah, I didn't take your picture. My phone
Go
hangs.
ahead.
Here, look here. There you go. Really nice. Nice. Cool. Thanks, man.
Hey, totally fair, right? That's what it's all about.
Really cool.
Do I have my car back now? Okay, deal.
Thanks, buddy.
Cheers.
Thank you. Take a picture there. That's Mustang. Here, look. Em. Look at that.
I'll show you. When you're at car shows,
Oh, there.
don't see the ugly thing. You hide it. Son.
It's really cool, eh?
Got another old fashioned. Oh my
Mhm.
god.
That's a Mustang, the old Mustang.
There's a mini version.
Mm-hmm. No, 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 no. You're not allowed to touch unless they say it that you can.
You like press the button instead of like.
Uh-huh.
at the seatbelts.
It's on the bottom.
You used to see these things.
You want to check that tree in there? Stand up there, Em. I'll take a picture. One more. One more.
Wait, what?
Oh, they put the bar in it. So they won't, no one can steal it.
Somebody can steal, like, come off the steering wheel. Or like, wait, I'm pretty sure you can still steer it though.
You can steal it just for a bit.
Yeah, you can still like steer it.
The full steam.
Now there's only 3 more. Never mind, there's one right here. That is confusing.
That is a nice engine.
Fuel.
Look at that.
Nitrous. Fuel. Nitrous.
I think this one is built for racing. Look at the bar. The nitro. Right there. Oh.
Yeah, you can see the nitro right here.
Yeah. That's for racing. Sweet. Look at that.
Wait, the nitro. Oh yeah, it has it.
Did you have it? No, the muffler. Yeah.
And now we only got 3 more left to go. I cannot.
Take a picture there. That's a nice car in there. Go in the middle right there. There. 1, 2, 3. Gotcha.
But I should have mentioned this earlier. Do not show any of the license plates.
No, that one is okay.
They probably had space though.
Really nice, eh?
So I've still got the original wheels.
Look clean. This one they're using this one.
Look how much
Nice.
space it has.
Look at this one, Em. For racing too. Look at that. Holy
Wait,
moly.
it doesn't have
Yeah. Look. See the engine?
oil.
Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah.
Woohoo.
What's that? A fire alarm. They have a flipping fire alarm.
This is what
And then.
Look at the back. Look at that. Yep, on and off. What's that for? Maybe it will open. Yeah, shoot guns in there, like James gun. Oh, I have a nice screen in there. With a DVD player.
Oh my god, we need another player in our car because it is absolutely broken.
Come on, you want to check all the other side?
Uh,
Yeah, the other side right there. Come on, let's go.
where is it?
There. Other side, we're done on that side. And let's check this side. Where are you gonna start?
Here.
What's that?
I can already tell from a distance over there that this was a Tesla.
Oh yeah, you're right. It's a
Because of the
Tesla.
handles.
Ah, we're pulling a boat, small boat only, but yeah. Oh, look at that, the sports car here. Em. Vehicle wrap, anything. 778. Wait, Em. Where are you guys located? In
We are
here?
in McCurdy Place, so
Oh.
where the Harley Davidson shop is.
Okay.
We're just in that loop there.
Okay. No, we're from Vancouver. I thought you were from Vancouver.
Oh,
Because I
no.
saw the 778 number.
Oh, yeah.
It's the same,
no.
right? Yeah.
I didn't
That's
know
right.
that. That's good to know.
Yeah,
no, we're
we're the
here
same.
in Kelowna.
Okay. Nice car. That is Ferrari, M. Them, don't touch it, ah. Take a picture, M. Come on. Oh, I'm so sorry.
They're like, yeah, it's even like 15 grand.
That's perfect, M.
Oh my god.
Maserati? That's Maserati, M. My God. Don't touch it.
Somebody, oh, that's
No, don't touch it. You can there. You can stand in there. Look here. There, bud. There you go. Here, oh, Em, look. They have That is a turbo. Look at that. That's a nice car.
No, this is motorcycle.
Neon green. Oh, it's an
Yeah,
Audi.
this is motorcycle at the car meet.
Uh huh. That's a Honda. That's a nice bike.
Oh, I like the ones with the engine on it.
Okay, let's go.
Because like it's actually can actually do what it runs through. That is exactly not what I was doing. That's a base plate. That's one gets behind it.
I know. Let's go here. The people in there. Let's go this side.
Like I have a car and it's. I drive from airport.
No,
Look
no.
how tall it is.
Okay, I'll take a picture there.
It's tall.
Okay, this one.
What the? Where's the engine?
Who's that? That's the engine. Okay, look
Wait,
here.
I mean, like, where is the body?
Look here. Yeah, cool. Yeah, they didn't cover it so that you can see it. It's nice, right?
That is like that glorious.
There's another Tesla.
There's another Tesla.
Yeah, here. And another one right there.
Oh my god, there's 3 Teslas. Oh, this is the one that I want to get because this one I think you can actually change the color of it. With using that pad.
Change the color?
Yeah.
So that's what you want? That one?
I don't know because I haven't actually seen it before.
That's another Tesla right there.
Oh boy. Yeah, look, see, those are like both of the same thing.
Yeah, they're the same thing. Just different colors.
Yeah, it's both the same thing. I told you you could change the color of it.
No. I don't know. I never seen that.
Wait, what?
Change color when you press something. Yeah.
Wait. Wait, wait, so fast. Wait, so.
Okay, let's go there. Let's go.
I'm so confused. I don't see if it continues.
We're gonna cross.
Slot. This is unfortunate. So.
That's their. I'm sorry. That's the model. Like they have they made a toy for this car. The Mustang.
Also the one all
Actually,
the way, and
yeah.
the first one all the way down there. Also had models.
Yeah, most of the cars they made.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Oh,
I love
there's
this
another
color.
model.
Yeah, the green. Green is like my favorite color, so I think it's fucking amazing.
That's fine. I only did 3 cars.
It would be like literally like
Yeah, Ham. Here, you go stand here. I'll take a picture in this one. Here, but
as my kids would say, Mom can't even write her name.
perfect. Oh, that's a blue and yellow.
You gotta hit that way.
Okay, stand there, M. M. One more, move here a little bit. There. Okay. You gonna check that one?
a long car.
This one's GMC. This one is simple.
Connected.
Huh?
Seats are all connected.
Nice, eh?
Just seeing the seatbelt like that is so weird.
No, you put the seatbelt here in your hip. That's an old car.
That's how you put
Seat belts are like that.
That's how you put the seatbelt on a plane. What the? Ain't this supposed to be driving?
No, that's not it. Look at that, the truck. Run. Oh, there's more in there. A lot in there, all the way down in there. Come on, let's go.
Oh look!
It's Porsche. This one is Saab. What? Oh, look at this one.
Looks like a monster truck.
It's nice. Look at that. Oh, look, this one is nice. This one. Oh, it's a camper. It's a camper.
So you can't sleep in that thing.
Look at this one. Oh, you can rent that one in.
Can already tell because you see just like a bunch of this.
Yeah, man, 3
The
more.
keys already in, so you can probably just like steer this.
Then we can go there. This shop.
Was that another toy shop?
I don't know. Let's check.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's. I don't know. Oh yeah.
Oh, this is Lancer. Nice. Subaru.
Hi. Looks like
1500. Nice color.
Ooh, that. Oh my god. It's not who can even own this button? Maybe it was one of the first ones. That is the end.
That's the end?
Yep.
Okay. Say bye.
Goodbye.
We're leaving. Say bye.
Goodbye.
Okay, let's go.
Woo.